Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech, and in this video, I'll be doing the gaming review, battery drain test and the heat test of the Motorola One Action. Now before we get started, these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores of the phone. Now for my setup, there are two huge lights on either side. Currently phone has 36% of battery left. There is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the current room temperature is 27 degrees. Now let's check the temperature of the phone. On the front it is 32 degrees, at the bottom it is 33. On the back it is 33 degrees once again, and at the bottom it is 32 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and start the gaming review with Asphalt 9. As you can see, gameplay is pretty smooth. I didn't notice any lag. Visuals are pretty great, details are looking really good. The particle effect, rain, sparks and lightning in the sky, everything look great. Even the controls are very smooth. Now this phone has a unique 21:9 aspect ratio, which makes the phone look abnormally longer and less thinner. While gaming, display definitely looked different when compared to a regular phone, but it didn't bother me too much. I didn't even notice it after I started playing the game. So guys, I've been playing this game for about 10 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front it is 38 degrees, at the bottom it's once again 38 degrees. On the back I've seen a maximum of 40 degrees and at the bottom it is 37 degrees. Next I'll be playing PUBG Mobile. Now surprisingly on this phone there are HD graphics settings with ultra frame rate. So I'll be playing this game in this graphics settings first and later I'll be switching to smooth graphics settings. So guys, as you can see, visuals are pretty great. Shadows, trees, grass blades, colors, everything look great. And there is no major lag. It is pretty smooth to play. Now I'm switching to smooth graphics settings with extreme frame rate. Now as you can see, visuals took a hit, everything's faded now, colors look a bit dull, even details like shadows are absent. But now, gameplay is much more smoother than before, at least slightly better. Overall, this game is definitely playable in smooth graphics settings, and even in HDR graphics settings, it is definitely playable. So guys, I've been playing this game for about 17 minutes, now let's check the temperature. Phone feels hot, but not too hot. On the front, I've seen a maximum of 42 degrees, at the bottom it is 40 degrees. On the back, I've seen a maximum of 43 degrees, and at the bottom it is 40 degrees. It's been a total of 27 minutes since I've been playing games, and phone currently has 23% of battery left. So for approximately 25 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed about 13% of battery, which is kinda okay. So guys, overall, gaming experience on this phone has been pretty good. I thought the new aspect ratio might cause a problem, it might look abnormal, but once I started playing games, it wasn't an issue. Now for the heat test, I'll be taking pictures from the front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature of the phone. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. Capturing speeds look pretty good. So guys, it's been 3 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front I've seen a maximum of 42 degrees, at the bottom it is 39. On the back I've seen a maximum of 45 degrees, that's the maximum I have seen so far, and at the bottom it is 38 degrees. Now I'll use this phone for a minute to see if there is any throttling going on. By the way guys, in those 3 minutes I've taken about 521 pictures, which is amazing. And even after using the phone directly after the heat test, I didn't notice any major lag. So there is no throttling either. So guys, while gaming, phone doesn't get all that hot, but With the camera application, if you try to push it to its limits, like taking pictures continuously, your phone will definitely get hot, but it's still better than most phones out there. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. If you have any questions or want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.